Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. I usually go over with homework from last video. Alright, and this is 第6句话. Okay, 1、2、3、4、5、6，第6句话. Okay, and this is a 成语 from last video. 西一安闲，闲 is freely. 一云云，云 is cloud. 耶也 is wild. 呵is queen. A recluse with no fixed abode or occupation. That I studied from the translator, but they're a little bit missing. Okay, for example, this is usually in general, okay, when people are getting older and they're retired and they want to go somewhere else to have some freedom of life, to see the outside the world, and that's what this 成语 about. You have no job, nothing to worry, so you can go out to 闲云野鹤. Let's go over with our sentence. Okay, this is still the sentence. This is the last part we did. 一翁用 is use. 是欧手 is our hand. 特窝托这托着 is hold. 那一你 is you. 莫一安免得免得 is last. 那一你的你的 is your. 鸡凹脚 is our feet. Is our feet or foot. 碰 is head. Okay, head. 自哀在 is in. 石头石头 is rock. 是昂上 is on. Hi, we have a new lessons for today. Okay, this is 第7句话. Okay, 第7 remember 1、2、3、4、5、6、7 3 finger 7. Okay, 第7句话 and we have a new 成语. 一安烟一凹消一云云. Okay, we just learned from the homework. 云 is cloud. 四安散. Okay, and then so you know this word, and I'm giving you this word. What this means is smoke. Okay, smoke. So 云 and 烟. Okay, let's read our 成语. 烟消云散. 烟 is smoke. 烟消云 is cloud. 散 you're going to find out what this meaning, okay? Okay, and then we're going to start our new sentence. 耶是乌苏耶稣的为对他他是我说基因经是昂上经上是我说博无不可不可是的安探是探之无主那以你的你的是恩神耶稣对他说经上说不可试探主你的神. Okay, let's practice our Chinese. 耶稣苏对他说经上经上说不可 试探，探怎么讲？主，你的，你的神。家庭作业，家庭作业 is very important. First, okay, 家庭作业 is homework. Download a translator and then translate each single word. But if among the line, you can check them together. Read 2 times and read 30遍. Read 2 times. Watch an hour and Chinese TV series every day. And this is very important for you to for listening. Okay, so this I have a one. It's called 还珠格格. 还珠格格 is very fun and entertainment movie. It's a long one and they have 3 parts. Okay, you find the first one when you finish this long one. Okay, and in this video, in this movie, they have a lot 成语, a lot. It's beautiful. And you can build the tones when you watch this video. So it will help you to pronounce correctly because you're always listening. All this strategy will help you to learn faster. Okay. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And I hope you guys have fun with your homework and be safe. And I will see you next Friday.